Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is just a quick update because I want to show you how my project in packing for spring break turned out. Whether I have a good idea or a bad idea, I'd like to tell you how it worked. So for spring break, I took this 4x6 case. I picked up some Dollar Tree scissors in case TSA took them away. And you can go back and watch the video about packing. It was about a week or so ago if you want. But basically, I took some ideas, I took some things to keep myself busy on vacation, and I wanted to show you how it turned out. It really turned out surprisingly well. I have significantly fewer scraps in this bag. It's not tight, it's not heavy. These glues held out for me. This one is sticky and sometimes doesn't dry all the way. It might be really old. And then this Stampin' Up! Two-way glue pen that I broke the seal on was good too. These glue pens, if you're gluing a big area, sometimes they just get annoying because they take a long time. So for the most part, I think I used the Tombow. But there was one where it got on the back of it right here, and it's still kind of sticky. So I don't know, maybe it's just really old, but that's been days and it's tacky. Not only did I complete all of the ones that I took, but when I picked up that Hobby Lobby piece of paper, turns out my friend who's not a paper crafter had a really nice paper cutter. So I was able to cut a couple more pieces while I was there. You can see this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet. And I just went through and I used up my scraps. And sometimes I chose by colors. You can see here my color palette. Sometimes I chose springy things that I liked. This one, I would say maybe I was going with polka dots. This one I was using up some chunkier sections. Red, white, and black. This one was, I had all the strips, the solid color cardstock strips, and I didn't know, oh, here we go. See the branding strips for the end of a basil piece of paper, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them, so I laid stuff on top of them. There was a bit of music paper, what do we call that? I'm tired, you guys, in there, and a piece of a map and some washi that was stuck to something, so I just collaged those right onto it and then cut it in half, which is a weird size, but I'm sure I'll use it. Here's a spring one with the spring collection scraps I had from last year. Same here. Some of those I had sprayed, might be Heidi Swap glitter spray, something on. This one was inspired by the color palette in the papers themselves. This one has some rose gold washi in the middle of it that I couldn't throw away. This one is, I don't know, I like it. So you can see I used my scraps, and this was, ooh, I like how this one turned out. This was a funny shape, and my friend said, use it the way it is. So I used my scraps. I sat around and talked with the family, and these were done, when I got up, ooh, I like this one, really early in the morning to drink coffee. Sometimes they were done in the evenings when we were sitting around talking, or you know how when you have several people together and everybody has to take showers, they get up at different time. I just sat around and used that time. I don't think I missed out on anything. I think I was included. Sometimes my husband wandered off and watched movies in their theater room. Yeah, it was a rough vacation, let me tell you. This one, it has layers that you can't see, so it has some dimension, but it turned out kind of boring, I thought. This one has a lot of that pink in it, and this one in the middle is solid. And then this one right here. So what I'll do with those is I'll make scrap cards, and I have videos on my channel on that. These will come together really quickly with a few embellishments and maybe a die cut happy birthday or hello, and I think I have about 20 of them. I think we were gone about 4 nights or 5 nights. Oh, I also worked on them in the hotel the first night. I just sat in bed and grabbed a flat surface. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good week. Bye-bye.